Welcome dear students. আজি মই class 8 The Prince of Panidihing নামৰ পাঠটিৰ question answer সমূহ লৈ আহিছো। আৰম্ভ কৰো আহা। The Prince of Panidihing পাঠটিৰ question number 1A. Why did the people of Sitolia and the neighboring villages panic? Answer. The people of Sitolia and the neighboring villages panicked because the swelling water of the Brahmaputra was rising continuously. B. What happened when the embankment at Sitolia village was breached? Answer. When the embankment at Sitolia village was breached, the huge waves of water entered into the villages. The villagers took shelter on rooftops of the sanghars and animals were swept away. C. What action did Khogen and his classmates take to rescue the villagers of Sitolia? Answer. In a moment, Khogen and his classmates made 5 banana rafts. Khogen took his father's boat too. Then with the rafts and the boat, they moved towards Sitolia and rescued the villagers. D. How did Khogen and Domboro rescue Dr. Hatiborua and Moni Baideo? Answer. Khogen and Domboro reached the hospital quarter half an hour later. They took Dr. Hatiborua, Moni Baideo and 2 other men into the boat and moved back towards the school building. E. Why did the people of the village call Khogen the Prince of Panidihing? Answer. The people of village called Khogen the Prince of Panidihing because Khogen was a brave fellow. He was always ready to help people in need. He had talent for doing something quickly. Question number 2A. Who was Khogen? How old was he? Answer. Khogen was a young man who lived in a village named Borgaon. He was 17 years old. B. It rained heavily all week. What was the result? Answer. Due to heavy rain, the swelling water of Brahmaputra continued rising and the embankment at Sitolia village was breached. C. In moments, huge waves of water broke into the villages. What is this situation called? Answer. In moments, huge waves of water broke into the villages. This situation is called flood. D. Khogen, you have saved our lives, given us a new life. Who said this? Why did he say this? Answer. Dr. Hatiborua said this. He said this because Khogen rescued Dr. Hatiborua and his wife from the flood. মৰমৰ ছাত্ৰ-ছাত্ৰীসকল, দ্য প্ৰিন্স অফ পানিদিহিং পাঠটিৰ কুৱেশ্যন এনচাৰসমূহ ইমানতে শেষ হৈছে। ধন্যবাদ।